For 15 years, ETF and the trade unions it represents have been overseeing the European Commission and fighting against its project to privatize the ATM fields. For 15 years, the European Commission has been using as a justification the same cliches about the sky boundaries, the lack of competition, and the supposed inefficiency of the European ATM services, when we all know as professionals that the European sky is one of the busiest in the world and at the same time the safest. But safety has never been the major preoccupation of the Commission. Money is. For 15 years, step by step, day after day, again and again, using the same cliches, the Commission has followed the line it drew and tried to liberalize and financially pressurize ATM services without taking into account the staff points of view. Social dialogue is nothing but a joke at the European level. The Commission grants access to some professional organizations which are far from being staff representatives, but closes the door to some national trade unions, fully representatives in their own country. And what is offered anyway can't be called a dialogue. It is only a basic consultation from which the Commission has no obligation to respond. At the same time, airlines always get a friendly ear, and it is made sure that their views and demands are taken into account. So what is left for us to be heard by a deaf Commission? What is left for us is the action. That's why CFDT, historical member of ETF, has been taking part in every strike against the single European sky and every demonstration. That's why we are all here today, my friends. And that's why we will come again to scream and shout and show the Commission that the ATM workers are still alive and not going to die silently. Reject!
Reject!